Hi, my name is Chuck, and I own an SEO agency. We specialize in search engine optimization and getting local businesses just like yours ranked to the top of Google, and that's in order to bring you more business. And I did a keyword search for Charleston Roofing, and this is what comes up when you search Charleston Roofing. That's what most people would look for and search in the Charleston area that are looking for their roofing needs. And this is what comes up. You'll probably recognize some of these companies. That's a directory. Baker Roofing, Charleston Roofing, Roofs and Windows. Those are the top companies that are getting 80% of the search results. So the 80% of the people searching are most likely going to those companies. Because I found you on page 3, and down here at putonanewroof.com. And so going to that, we get to your site, which you got a nice site, great pictures, the colors really pop, scrolls nice and that kind of thing. But I just wanted to give you an idea of something that you can do that would increase your ranking so that you can get more customers coming your way. We put in your, we go to this tags parser and put in your H1, H2 tags to test them and see what comes up. And this is what's coming up is your tags, your heading tags. And what Google looks for are these heading tags to find out what your site is about and how they use that to help rank you. So what you would want to do is put in Charleston Roofing, and then you can have your company name either after it or down in an H2 heading tag like you have. We also look at your metadata tags or your title tags, and here's your title: roofing contractor and home exteriors in North Charleston. And again, Google looks for it to be congruent with what those people searching for roofing needs in Charleston, they want it to be congruent with that. So you'd want it to be Charleston Roofing, have your line there, roofing contractor, home exteriors, and then another line in your company name, if it'll fit in there. That's 72 characters, so you want to use it wisely. Because when you go back to that, there's your title tag, the blue line, the black is the description. So you want that congruent with what Google is looking for, because that shows them exactly what your site is about. You'd want Charleston Roofing, the line, roofing contractors, home exteriors, and then the name of your company if you can. So just thought I'd throw that out as a quick tip, and hopefully that helps. You can do that yourself, or we'll be glad to do that for you. We do it all the time. We help companies in all different niches and different cities across the country. So I'll be glad to help you out. Let me know if you have any questions. You can take care of that and do it yourself, or I'll be glad to do it for you. Give me a call, or actually just respond to the email, and I'll be glad to help you out. Thanks, and have a good day.